Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solution for Magento sites, and it is the best single sign-on solution available in the market. So, in this video we are going to see how to download and install OAuth OpenID Connect single sign-on extension from Magento Marketplace. First we will purchase OAuth OpenID Connect single sign-on extension by miniOrange from Magento Marketplace. Search for OAuth on Magento Marketplace and select the OAuth OpenID Connect single sign-on extension from miniOrange. Select your Magento edition and your store version. Click on Add to Cart. Extension will be successfully added in the cart. Click on Cart and proceed to Checkout. Click on Place Order button. After successful purchase, click on Install button. Now, open your command prompt and enter the extension installation command with extension name and its version. You will find the extension name and extension version from here. Wait until the extension is installed. Now run the upgrade command and wait for it to execute. Now log in into Magento backend using admin credentials. You will notice that the extension is successfully installed. You can now start configuring the extension. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, feel free to contact us at magentosupport@securify.com.